Alright, so I started this video kind of late, but just to replace the cabin filter on a 2000 ES300. So there's two of them, you can see. One's a little skinnier than the other one, a little fatter, but so what I usually do is put this carpet down and at the same time push the pedal, so like that you can have some access. So there's this little door that sits about like this. So what you gotta do is pretty much when it's sitting in there, goes, let me show you how it goes so you can get an idea. It's kind of hard to do, filming and working, but see, so it sits in here like that. So what you're gonna do is squeeze the tabs here like this, squeeze them, pull it out, pull up, and then the first one you're gonna pull is the first cabin filter, which has a little tab right here. You just pull that out at the same time that you're pushing this down like that. You can get some access. Once you pull this one out, this one's actually kind of hidden, so it's actually up. So what you're gonna do is pull this little tab down and do the same, pull it out from there. So I'm gonna pull it in, push it in so you can get an idea. Like I said, it's a little hard to film and work. Get that going. Alright, there it goes. So see, it's up there now. So that's one. And then the other one, same thing. Kind of wiggle it in there. Well, let me pause the video and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I needed two hands. So like I said, while pushing the pedal down, and actually either way, when you're pulling it in, pushing it in or pulling it out, you need to have this pedal down so you can have more access. But as you can see, the other one's in there all the way in. Now all you gotta do is put this little door, make sure it fits correctly at the bottom, because if not, it won't have a correct seal. There it goes. So, like I said, when you take it out, pull these out, you should be good. All you gotta do is bring the carpet back in. Make sure it goes all the way. There it goes. That's how you do a cabin filter on a 2000 ES300.